be taking y'all through what I eat in a day. So right now it's about 8:30 and I've had, well, I'm just about to have my second cup of coffee. My good mugs are in the dishwasher. Anyways, I'm gonna take you through what I eat today. My dog and I are about to go on a walk, so after that I will eat breakfast. Also, I have to film in my kitchen and my dad may or may not be up at that time. That's gonna be weird. So... Alright, y'all. I am making breakfast now. I just made some oatmeal. Don't have any protein powder right now, so we're just letting it thicken up. This oatmeal is what they look like. Okay, it's 190 calories per packet, but they have 12 grams of protein, which is what I needed considering I don't have protein powder right now. Now that she is thickening up, I actually hate oatmeal. I know you can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try to show you. Anyways, I hate oatmeal, okay? So I'm gonna cut up a banana right now. And then I'm gonna put some blueberries in here. I don't know what that sound is. And then I'm gonna put some granola. And then some peanut butter and honey. And some chocolate chips. I don't know what my obsession with chocolate chips is lately, but these, whatever this is, yum. It's fine. We don't need pretty food, we need good food. I got banana all over my hands. Now I just have a little handful of blueberries that I just washed. The granola I'm using, Love Crunch. It's the dark chocolate macaroon. I don't know. Super good. This is what it looks like. It's got like some coconut pieces and some chocolate in there, but I'm gonna throw some more chocolate in there. And then a little bit of dark chocolate chips. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. Just throw some peanut butter on here. I'm using Hello. I'm using this stuff. I don't know, just natural creamy peanut butter. Hello. Actually, not really. Just some local honey. Try and get a little bit of everything. The oatmeal, the blueberries, granola, peanut butter, honey, banana. Hey guys, I'm back from the gym. Such a good workout. For lunch, it's actually 2:30. I had a late breakfast. I don't want to talk about it. Anyways, for lunch, I'm making, like, you know the like Emily Mariko salmon bowl? Well, that's what I've been eating for lunch, but I'm out of salmon, so we're doing it with chicken, with leftover chicken. And it doesn't... Okay. I forgot the ice cube. My dad saw me do this yesterday and he was like, what the fuck are you doing? And I was like, hear me out. Hear me out. I'm gonna cut this avocado up. Hopefully it's good. Fun fact about me, if you didn't know, because I be telling a lot of people, I am afraid of avocados because I got food poisoning from one time. Yeah. It was literally one of the scariest things in my whole life. So now I'm like super scared to eat avocados. See, like even that kind of scares me. With the little brown in there. Anyways, we're gonna peel it. You guys know? Hello? Focus. Did you guys know that Sriracha, like the main brand Sriracha, is like, what'd they say? Like out of stock, just in general. Like regular Sriracha is out of stock. So anyways, I'm using this like weird brand of Sriracha. It's fire though, like actually, like it's good, but it's like hot as hell. I'm still making it the same way. I don't care. All right, a little bit of soy sauce. Some mayonnaise. All right, and then this is the Sriracha I'm using. Yellowbird Blue Agave Sriracha. I don't know, made in Texas. It's really good, but it is very spicy. But the other day I didn't have this, and I didn't have any Sriracha because what kind of household doesn't have Sriracha? This one, apparently. Cholula and ketchup, pretty freaking similar. Pretty freaking similar. Boom. Need to get more seaweed, but boom. I'm also drinking an Olipop. If Sam Taylor ever sees this, girl, you got me addicted. And I'm sick of it. Not actually, these are so good. Anyways, they're 45 calories per can, and they so good. This is orange squeeze. They're a sparkling tonic. Hello. Hey, want to say hi to the YouTube video? Hi! We went and got sushi at H-E-B and some pot stickers. This is mine. I got the Texan roll and then the pork pot stickers, and then Sadie got the salmon avocado roll and the chicken pot stickers. So I'll let you know how they go. Okay, so little update on the sushi. It was disgusting. Pot stickers also disgusting, so that was really upsetting. So I ate some of it, not a whole ton of it, just because it was so gross, and honestly afterwards I lost my appetite. So if you live in Texas, do not, absolutely, I repeat, do not get sushi from H-E-B because it was so bad. But these, so good. I had one of them. They're the vegan kind. I've had like the regular kind and I really like them, but I keep seeing the vegan kind with oat milk, and I love oat milk. I'm not vegan, vegetarian, or anything. What would vegetarian have anything to do with that? I'm not vegan, but I love oat milk. Oat milk just holds a special place in my heart, to be honest with you. I love it so much. These are so good. I might actually have another one. I won't lie to you, because I'm hungry. I know these aren't gonna do anything for me. Shut up about it. In other news, I got my mirror. Look how freaking cute it is. It's got like the no border. And then on the back of it, it has this little rack, these two hooks, and then like a little shoe rack. I can't figure out where to put it. My plan was to put it right there, and I think I told you guys that in my last video, but my plan was to put it right there. I didn't like it. This is where it's at right now. Still don't like it. So I think, don't mind the state of that, I think I might put it right there. I didn't like it over here on this wall because the glare of the windows behind me was just so odd. So I'm thinking if I put it over there, the glare won't be bad because the windows are already like right there. Love that I just had a towel chilling on my chair. Y'all didn't tell me. Just kidding. Obviously you couldn't. She needs to go in the laundry basket. Jasper, he's shy. He's a camera shy boy, but he's so good boy. Say hi. Say hi, Jasper. Say hi. Das ist. Shut up and talk, Hope. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment, follow my other socials. Instagram and TikTok is Lift with Hope, and I will see you guys. next week. Bro, listen to this chair.